Now this is really exciting, part of the new range of toys by RiiRoo. The Land Rover Discovery HSE Sport is one of the most popular 4x4s around and probably the most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. The fact that it is licensed means it has all the official Land Rover badges as well as the replica Discovery dashboard, dials and steering wheel. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimetres in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The adjustable seat moves to allow growing room for your child. Padded leather style seats. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.